Namaste friends and welcome to Ayurvedic Lifestyle Tips with Lala. Today's episode is about skincare using natural pure products. What you apply to your skin is so important. Your skin is a living, breathing organ and it is nourished by natural nutrients. Fortunately, there is a growing awareness that many everyday cosmetics and personal care products contain chemicals and contaminants that have been linked to cancer, birth defects that can harm reproduction and that accelerate aging. My own personal skincare routine has evolved over time to where I now only apply natural, pure, plant-based products to my skin. Truly natural products contain ingredients that your body recognizes that feed and repair the skin. That said, there are no lasting solutions for aging nor disease to be found in a bottle. Therefore, an Ayurvedic beauty regimen includes a personalized diet program including herbs, rhythmic breathing, massage, meditation, and sensory therapies. Today, I'd like to share with you my daily facial skincare routine. The herbs and oils used in the daily skincare routine will depend on your complexion type. However, the basic guidelines of cleansing, nourishing, and moisturizing are the same for everyone. So do the 3-step routine 1 to 2 times per day in the morning and or before bedtime. The routine takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Before you begin, remove face and eye makeup with vegetable oil or ghee using a cotton ball and gently wipe. Sesame oil is good for dry skin, sunflower oil is good for sensitive skin, and safflower is good for oily skin. If possible, do the skincare routine before exercising. Cleanse the face during or while bathing or showering, and then nourish and moisturize afterwards. Always massage oil onto wet skin. Always using upwards and outwards and gentle strokes on the face and neck. Use circular motion around the delicate skin of the eyes using your ring or pinky finger. If you wear makeup, wait 2 to 3 minutes with application after you complete the final step. So skincare for sensitive skin. Combine 1 teaspoon of almond meal with ½ teaspoon each of orange peel that have been ground and dry milk. Store that in a glass container. Take ½ teaspoon of that herbal paste or herbal powder and combine with rosewater to make a paste. Apply that to your face and gently massage, but do not scrub. Rinse with cool water and do not dry. Next, I use my friend Bobby's Nourishing Skin Facial Oil. In the description below, I've made a link to her products. You can also use combining 1 ounce of almond oil with 10 drops each of sandalwood and rose oil. These tend to be a little harder to find and quite pricey, so in here instead you can use chamomile, helichrysum, and lavender. They're all anti-inflammatory, so that's another option. In the palm of your hand, mix 2 to 3 drops of this nourishing oil with 4 to 6 drops of water. Massage that into your face for about a minute. Melt ½ ounce of cocoa butter in a double boiler. Add 1.5 ounces of sunflower oil and remove from heat. Then add 1 ounce of rose tea. And here, right, we're trying to combine oil and water. So it is one drop at a time. It's very important to be patient with this process, otherwise they are going to separate. So whisk all the time as you're dropping in. Then let that cool and then add 10 drops of sandalwood oil or one of the other oils that we mentioned before. Gently apply this moisturizer over the surface of the face and skin. There's no need to really excessively rub in. I don't wear sunscreen on top of that, and that is a personal choice. Please do your own research to make an informed decision of what will work best for you. So I hope that this inspired you to evaluate your own personal skincare routine and products, and perhaps simplifying it. A great resource to look up the purity of your products is the Environmental Working Group at ewg.org. So there you have it. I hope that this was helpful, and I'll see you next time. Namaste, friends. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you find inspiration through this channel to live a healthier, more joyous, and more fulfilled life. That is certainly my intention. If so, please click the subscribe button and the bell if you'd like to know when new videos are featured. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.